Today we're making a summer salad with a lot of interesting flavor, but I'm going to show you how to make a vinaigrette, and there's some techniques that you should be aware of when we do this. So I have some oil, I have vinegar, champagne vinegar, and I have an emulsifier, which is anything that will bring two things that don't belong together. And this is whole grain mustard. So I'm going to start with that. Throw in my ingredients. It's not a matter of whisking until it comes together. I'm just going to whisk it and put it together. And then once it comes together, I'll go ahead and add my salt and pepper. When you make this, go ahead and make it plain and make a lot of it, and then you can add flavors to it. So this one vinaigrette can be a tarragon vinaigrette, garlic, sriracha. Doesn't matter because this will be your base. So what I like to do in the kitchen is make 1 quart of plain vinaigrette and then add the flavors to it. That gives you multiple flavors. And it'll last in your refrigerator 2 weeks. All right, mixed together. I'm gonna add some salt and pepper. Now again, if this is gonna go in the refrigerator, you wanna add just a little bit more salt because the colder the product, the more salt you're gonna need. All right, vinaigrette's done. Let's do a quick taste. Money. Okay, for the salad, I have some heirloom tomatoes and some really nice peaches. Found some really nice peaches at the market. And I want to put a little bit of my dressing on it. Go ahead and give it a mix. Cool. From this point, we can actually start to build our plate. So let me get these out. And I just want to put some down. And now I want to add some of my Belgian Endive. I have a couple colors here. What's really nice about salads is you eat with your eyes, just like anything else. So you want to have these different colors because it's very pleasing when you eat. You can see a lot of Belgian Endive. That's the reason why I'm doing this, is because people are kind of afraid because they don't really try anything new, which is fine. You know, you have flavors that you like, but to expand your palate, I mean, that's what we're trying to do here. It's a little bitter, but because of its bitterness, we have a really nice sweet Stilton cheese that does a little bit to that. Refreshing mint. The champagne vinegar is not too overwhelming. And then we have really sweet peaches and tomatoes. So it just kind of makes the dish. And again, if you don't want to be, you know, bougie like this, you can put it all together inside of the bowl and then go from there. And this is really nice cheese. It's like a blue cheese, has a saltiness, and these apricots just make it so sweet. And then we get a little crunch from our pine nuts. And this right here is just a very simple salad with a lot of complex flavors, but it takes you minutes to put together. And that's the kind of salad I like. Something that's simple, a lot of flavor, that anybody can do. In thinking about this salad, it just goes together. I mean, the colors, when I look at the peach and I look at the endive, it's almost the same color. And when I get this yellow from the cheese and it kind of mixes with the other colors, it just looks like it's supposed to go together. And then when you think about flavors, it does go together. We have a little bitterness, we have sweet, we have creamy. I mean, it's just boom flavor. So very simple salad you can do at home. It's just a matter of flavors. And this right here has a lot of flavor. So definitely something you should try.